Welcome to this video on where to self-publish your book. We'll break down the major vendors, the real cost of publishing, and everything you need to know about ISBNs. Self-publishing can be confusing due to platform overload and the complexities surrounding ISBNs. This video aims to help you choose the right vendors and avoid unnecessary costs. Here are the main self-publishing vendors. Each offers different royalty rates and distribution options, ranging from Amazon KDP and Barnes & Noble Press to Ingram Spark and others. An ISBN is your book's unique identification number. Generally, each format needs its own ISBN, and they are essential for print distribution in stores and libraries. In the United States, official ISBNs are purchased through Bowker. Pricing tiers are available for purchasing 1, 10, or 100 ISBNs at a time. When deciding how many ISBNs to buy, consider your long-term goals. Bundling your purchase, such as with a 10-pack or 100-pack, can save significant costs over buying individual units. You can use free ISBNs provided by platforms, but this leads to distribution lock-in. Buying your own ISBN gives you full ownership and the flexibility to distribute your work anywhere. For a professional author setup, I recommend purchasing a 10-pack of ISBNs and uploading your work to 3 key platforms: Amazon KDP, Barnes & Noble Press, and Ingram Spark. Avoid common mistakes like buying single ISBNs, falling for the free ISBN trap, or trying to manage too many platforms at once. Pick a few core vendors and proceed step by step. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.